Django is a high-level Python web framework that enables rapid development of secure and maintainable web applications. It follows the Model View Controller (MVC) architectural pattern, which separates an application into three interconnected components: the model, database, the view, user interface, and the controller, business logic. Some of the key features of Django include 1. Object Relational Mapping (ORM). Django provides a powerful ORM that allows you to interact with your database using Python code, rather than writing raw SQL queries. 2. URL Routing. Django's URL routing system makes it easy to map URLs to specific views, and to define complex URL patterns. 3. Template Engine. Django's template engine provides a powerful way to separate your application's business logic from its presentation logic. 4. Administration Interface. Django includes a built-in administration interface that allows you to manage your application's data using a web-based interface. 5. Security Features. Django includes a variety of security features, such as protection against SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and cross-site request forgery, CSRF, attacks. 6. Scalability. Django is designed to scale easily, with support for caching, database sharding, and load balancing. 7. Third-party app ecosystem. Django has a large and active community of developers who have created a wide variety of third-party apps and plugins that can be easily integrated into your project. Django is used by many large-scale web applications, including Instagram, Pinterest, and Mozilla. Its popularity and ease of use make it a great choice for developers who want to build high-quality web applications quickly and efficiently.